Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question 16 divided by 4 into parenthesis 2 plus 2 minus 3. What will be the right answer? If you have already done this question, then go and comment your answer. I will give them heart. And in the next step, I will solve this with the help of PEMDAS. Here we can see there is expression 16 divided by 4 into parenthesis part 2 plus 2. So according to PEMDAS, we will solve this part. So again 16 divided by 4 into 2 plus 2, which will be 4 minus 3. Now here we can see there are two expressions, division and multiplication, which have the same priority. Okay, and in that case, as we know, we will solve from left to right. So first we will solve this one. Now in the next step, 16 divided by 4, which will be 4 into 4 minus 3. Now 4 times 4, that is 16 minus 3. Now 16 minus 3, which will be what? 13. So here the right answer is 13. So subscribe us for more questions like this and go and check out in the description for more math book. Keep watching.